How accurate is a full spectrum laser? Let's put it to the test. We're going to engrave something incredibly small onto a penny. Precision isn't just about making something the right size, it's also about putting it exactly where it's supposed to be. There are two kinds of accuracy at work. First is size accuracy. If you engrave a 10mm square, it measures exactly 10mm within plus or minus 10 microns. The second is placement accuracy. Whether a penny is placed in the center of the work area or all the way out at the edge, RetinaEngrave 5 knows exactly where it is. That means the camera image and the laser stay aligned with an edge-to-edge placement accuracy of just 10 microns. To put that into perspective, the letter I in Liberty on a US penny is only about 100 microns wide. We can engrave 0.1mm tall text and place it precisely in the center of that letter within just 10 microns. The engraving lands exactly where it was positioned in the software, with virtually no visible deviation. That level of precision is only possible because full spectrum laser hardware and RetinaEngrave software are engineered together as one complete system. When accuracy matters, every micron counts. Full spectrum laser